Did you know that throughout the course of their lives, Americans will own an average of 49 phones and 13 coffee makers? Most inventions make the world a better place by bridging the gap between our expectations and what's currently on the market. Since the beginning of time, humans have been driven by curiosity to create countless things that have benefited humanity at the time they were created, as well as spurred the creation of countless further creations. Every year, millions of new innovations are made in the modern world. The World Intellectual Property Organization, WIPO, of the United Nations reports 3.3 million patents were issued in 2019. We have chosen 5 amazing and cool inventions because the total number is just too great to consider. Here are our picks for the top 5 cool inventions you should get right now. Sneakers Chameleon. Do you have a variety of sneakers in your closet in your various designs and hues? Wouldn't it be fantastic to have a single pair of shoes that you could change with the touch of a button? The men at Shiftwear thought just that and created it. Their sneakers are fashionable on their own, but you can also quickly alter their appearance using a smartphone app. Select the preloaded patterns or simply transfer images and videos from your phone to your shoes, and this essay has further information about these incredible high-tech shoes. Money Ninja. Think of a single tool that has 20 different practical functionality and is small enough to carry in your wallet. In actuality, it's the size of a typical business card. One of the most intriguing brand new innovations on the market is the Wallet Ninja, which is just such a tool. Its products include box openers, hex wrenches, a phone stand, a mirror, and screwdrivers. Love this kind of stuff? On their website, Gear Nova has more cool products for men. Aniki Vector Robotic Companion. Have you ever desired a pet robot? Vector, an AI-powered robot, will win your heart and rapidly become your favorite friend, from snapping pictures to providing answers to inquiries. Vector possesses a wide range of skills. It can engage in games with you and engage in highly helpful ways with its environment. Vector knows how to go back to its
Vector
charging
Robotic
station
Companion is a robot sidekick that is game for everything and just wants to make people laugh. This AI-powered robot has the personality and technological capabilities to be a domestic assistant and friend. Vector can also read a room, provide weather information, create timers, capture pictures for snaps, and more thanks to cutting-edge AI robotics, without forgetting its expressive LCD face. Vector can answer to inquiries via voice recognition and synthesis, which uses slam for navigation. He can also map. He's able to recognize individuals and do other duties thanks to the multi-layered neural network that is packed within.
Standalone VR headset for Oculus. One of the coolest modern developments is virtual reality. From the convenience of your living room, you may now take use of this amazing technology. The Oculus headset supports over 1,000 virtual reality games and comes with a simple controller. You can use virtual reality to watch
one of the greatest VR headsets now on the market in
your
terms of mobility is the Standalone VR headset
Depending
for
on
Oculus.
your demands, choose
Without
either
incurring
32 or
enthusiast
64
prices,
gigs
there's
of
some
internal
substantial
memory.
power available, and you don't even need a supercharged gaming PC to get the finest of it. The all-in-one headset offers an unmatched experience for the money and is completely wire-free. However, it can be plugged into a gaming PC for select games. The Standalone VR headset for Oculus has gained enormous popularity since its debut. Stock has been flying off the shelves, and it's been difficult to get a fresh one for a while. However, since the end of last year, things have gone significantly cooled down.
Electric scooter Gotrax. Why not make your commute green too if you're joining the green movement? Replace your car with the stylish Gotrax electric scooter and leave your car at home. The most competitive e-scooter in its price range is the adult-sized Gotrax GXL electric scooter, which has a 250-watt motor and a 36-volt battery. The materials used to construct Gotrax electric scooters allow them to support up to 220 pounds. At 15 miles per hour, you can travel up to 12 miles around town at once. You'll enjoy yourself while assisting in preservation of the environment. We've compiled a comprehensive list of all the cool and amazing inventions from 2022, and some that are a little older that have the potential to significantly alter how people use technology. We made an effort to be objective and include products from all of the major technological fields.